Hey y'all, this is my DIY wall-mounted pressure washer setup that cost me less than $500. It's a Ryobi 1800 pressure washer, a pressure washer hose reel from Amazon, a 50-foot UBERFLEX quarter-inch pressure washer hose, 2 Unistrut shelving brackets to mount the Ryobi, and a bunch of quick connect fittings. So I started with a 3/4 inch plywood backing board that I screwed into studs using 4 2.5 inch GRK RSS structural screws. This basically gives me the flexibility to put anything on the plywood without hitting a stud, and that's super important because I wanted to make sure everything was exactly where I wanted it to be and also be compact. Also, since I don't have a water spigot in the garage yet, I'm using a washing machine hose that's long enough to reach the ground, and I put a male quick connect fitting on it, and I connect it using a garden hose with a female quick connect that I have on the other side of the wall. So when I want to use the pressure washer, I unwind the pressure washer hose to my desired length, connect my swivel gun or foam cannon, connect the garden hose to the wash machine hose, turn on the water, and then I turn on the pressure washer. Like I mentioned, this setup is mounted on a 2x2 plywood, and from the drywall outwards of the depth measurement, it's basically 17 inches at the maximum. And that maximum is at the pressure washer and the leader hose that goes into the hose reel. The hose reel is 14 inches from the drywall outwards, so it's still really compact, and just for reference, the distance between my drywall and the garage door rail is 10 inches. So there's still plenty of space for you to get out, walk around, and still park a vehicle without hitting anything. Another thing to be mindful of is the height that you want your pressure washer to be at. I have mine at 68 inches tall, and that's basically just high enough to where I can press the on and off button and also ensure that it doesn't hit the garage door when it opens and closes.